dash accessory adhesive. So to avoid gouging the dash like someone else did trying to pry this off, I'm going to use my plastic tool here and get under there and jab at it until it starts rolling that double-sided adhesive up. Get this under there and slowly peel it back. I already started it a little bit. And slowly pull it up. Until you get it. And you can see that big old gouge somebody else put in there, and I'll have to come back and fix that. And paint the dash a little bit. But the rest of this will be cool. Just taking it off. Show you the finished result here in a minute.